Hello everyone. I have a little junk journal supply haul, and it's from, I had to go to Dollar Tree to get a few things for Mom's apartment, and so while I was in there, of course, I had to find things. You know I'm going to find things. They have all these fun wooden shapes out for Christmas stuff. There's a little gingerbread man, and a star, and a bell. Now the bell actually has a hole in the top so you can string it up. And these little snowflakes. Besides being, I think they would be a lot of fun on the jelly plate, I also think that they would decorate journal covers and such as that as well. I think they would be fun to use on tags as little embellishments. They could be painted, they could be left wooden, they could be inked with your ink. They're not real thin, but they're not real thick either. Can you see? They're about 1/8 of an inch thick. So I think they would lay nicely on a page. Anyways, I had to have those because, you know, and this was all 4 of the smaller things that they seem to have. So, and it says 14 pieces in each one. So that's, you know, less than 10 cents a piece. So that's pretty good. Then I got these, and there were a couple of other shapes, I think, if I remember right, but I just didn't really like them. These have little clips, and I got some little fall leaf clips, and I think these would be really cute, like used like a paper clip in a journal. So I got them to use in a journal, and as paper clips, or as, you know, bookmarks too. They would also make a cute bookmark. They'd make a cute topper at the top of a tag, something like that. And like I said, there was some, I think there was a couple other designs, but I just didn't really like them. Or I didn't think I'd use them. Maybe that was it. I just really didn't think I would. So then I got this for my mom's apartment door. Does anybody else see what's wrong with it? I did not see what was wrong with it until just now. I honestly didn't see it until just now. But the sign's on there upside down. So I'm going to have to see if I can fix it. But I thought that would be cute on her apartment door. So I'll fix it. I'll pull the staples out, and I guess I wasn't thinking, of course I was in a hurry. I was trying to get, you know, things for Mom, and then hubby and I took a day off yesterday, or the other day, not yesterday. We haven't taken a day off this week. Anyways, one of the things we do together and we find relaxing, it doesn't require any mind, is to go to garage sales and do thrift stores. And while we went to, I think 7 garage sales and 5 thrift stores, I didn't get a lot, but I don't need a lot, so that's okay. I got these couple of books. This one is, let me read. I did look up. This one is Swedish. It's not as old as the other one. This one is, was printed in Norway in 1950, and the language, it says, is Swedish. A book about love. The first sentence says, if we, on a clear winter evening, look up at the sky, we see the star and the moon move in their fixed orbits. So I just really liked the color of the pages and the type. And foreign language papers are always fun to have. So I just went ahead and I got that one. And then I got this one, and this one was printed in 1919. As best I can tell. And its title is the carved cabinet, and it is in Norwegian, and it says, "The fire from the fireplace fell on a cozy living room in a house by one of the quiet open squares in London." Anyways, I really liked the color of the pages and the look of the type. The foreign language papers I love to use in my collage, so that I got those. And then at one of the stores I found this. It was 99 cents. It's just it's white, probably white on the back, and printed around the edges, but I want to make a December daily, and I thought this might make nice pages in a December daily, so I grabbed that for 99 cents. And in another one of the stores, I found this. It's called Flower Fairy Friends. It includes 4 flower fairy dolls with 8 beautiful costumes. And I have more flower fairies. I'd like to do another fairy journal. And this was just too pretty to pass up. I just couldn't help it. Anytime I come up with these, when you see these flower fairy books that the artist did, it's just really too much fun. But these are their costumes, and they actually are punch-out costumes. And then they fold over the fairy. Oh, that's interesting. They can fold either direction, so they're 2 different colors. If you look at this one, this is white on this side, but it's kind of gray on that side. And it's a really light pink there, but it's darker pink there. So, but the fairies are in here in the middle. And they actually have little stands that will help them to stand up. And they're a punch out. They're a paper doll. And then there was a little pocket in the back where you could keep all your little pieces. These are the fairy accessories. They must be, oh, they're little purses. Probably little hats. So I had to have that. I just had to. And then the last thing were these, and I haven't even opened them. They were sealed up, so I couldn't really look at them. So I really do not know what's in here. It says Fancy Frames Recipe Card Assortment. And this one says Kitchen Comics Double Recipe Card Assortment. And they were marked 25 cents, and I figured for 25 cents I would take the risk of whether or not they were something I liked. But I kind of think they will be. If they'd have been more than that, I probably wouldn't have gotten them since I couldn't see them. But I thought you guys might like to see them with me. So this says Recipe Savers. I love the envelope. This envelope right here was probably worth the 25 cents to me. Okay, these are just plastic covers for 3x5 index cards, which that might be fun. That may be all that's in the other one too. Let's see what's in here. Here's what's cooking, and that's a little beet. Oh, let me bring it in. You can see better. There we go. Okay, so this is an onion that's crying. There's several of those. It looks like there's only the 2 kinds. And then this one is a beet that's beating the batter. But they open up. That's really cool. I mean, for a quarter, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. One of the things Lisa and I have been talking about doing is doing a recipe type journal, a kitchen type journal. So that will be, those will work in that. That'll be fun. And it looks like this envelope in here is also full of those plastic, and that envelope is truly falling apart. It's full of those plastic card covers. But this one says it is the Fancy, contains 15 cards of each design, which I can pretty much sure there's not in there, but now these cards don't fold over. Here's what's cooking, recipe from, and serves. I like the frame on that one. I'm just going down through here to see what other frames are in here. Okay. There's that one. That one's really pretty. It's a peach kind of color. I like those. Definitely worth my quarter. I'm very happy with having spent my quarter. Okay. And then there's a golden one. So there might have been 15. How many designs did it tell me I was supposed to have? It was supposed to have 4 designs. Well, apparently they've used all of one of the designs, but the other designs are all here. So that's my little haul. It's not a big haul, but I just wanted to get on here really quick and show you what I got before it got lost in the shuffle of everything that's going on. I'm sorry I've been so busy lately and there's been fewer videos and less live streams. It's hopefully Mom will Mom is really enjoying her space, but hopefully I'll get things done soon and can be back to full swing. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.